Aw, you just love to cuddle, Mr. Whiskers. But I still have to get ready for class. Shoo! Yikes! That liner got away from me there. What's that, Mr. Whiskers? That's a great idea! Now I look just like my favorite little guy. Meow. Is this look cute or what? What would I ever do without you? Say cheese!
Ooh, this new hairbrush is fantastic! It's making my hair so glossy! I mean, check out this hair flip! Amazing, right? Totally amazing! Perfect! I'm ready to tackle the day! Oh, Annie's hair is so gorgeous! I wish my hair was like that. Okay, she's gone. I'll just use her brush. Oh, that did not turn out like I imagined. Ugh, time to take off this binder. It's not fair. I want my hair to look like that. Wait, I think I've got an idea. This will totally work. Okay, first I'll just pull back the top. Gotta make sure it's secure. Okay, that's done, so I'll move it out of the way. Now I'll pull back the rest of my hair. Just like the top section of my hair. I want it to be nice and secured. Okay, and done! Now for the next step. The top section will cover the binder from the bottom half. No more weird spiky ponytail! It just looks like one single ponytail. Time to use Annie's brush again for maximum glossiness. Whoa, Ava! Your hair looks fantastic! Thanks, Annie! Nice and glossy, just like yours! Really great job, Ava! I know she used my hairbrush without asking. Just gotta finish this assignment, then it's lunch. Whoa! Annie's looking so good! Wow, Annie! Your hair's so curly! Thanks. Just wanted to try something new. Oh! Annie's hair is spectacular! Annie, that is a great look for you. Oh, stop. Now you're just being a flirt. My hair is just boring and straight, as usual. Hey, I think this pen could help me change that. I'll just wrap my hair around and wait a moment. Ta-da! Oh, I guess it didn't work after all. Now I'm bummed out all over again. Oh, we'd better get back to studying. Okay, just trying to take notes. Shoot! My pen isn't working. I'll blow on it. That'll fix it. Oh. Hey, do you have a pen I can borrow? Sorry. This is the only one I have. Ava, do you have a pen I can borrow? Oh, you look so sad. I'm bummed out by my boring hair. Oh, is that all? I can help you get curls. Look, first we'll just take a section of your hair. I'll use 2 fingers and wrap your hair around them. Then I'll pull the end through. Next, I'll just tug it down into place so it's tight. Ooh, that seems so easy! I can't wait to see the curls! Stop! Don't pull it out yet! You need to wait at least 1 minute. Okay, I'm gonna count down the time. Okay, now unravel it! Wow! I can't believe how curly it is! Now I can have a whole head of curly hair! Ava, it looks so good on you! Thanks, Annie! Couldn't have done it without you! Anytime, Ava! Now, time to get back to flirting. Wait, where did he go? Oh, you've gotta be kidding me! That just figures. She wouldn't even have that hair without me. Time to go back to straight hair. Huh? Where did this curl come from? Ugh, look at all these dumb waves and curls. Get straight, darn you! Is this straightener even working? Huh, maybe it's not hot? I should test it. What? It's not hot at all! No wonder my hair's not getting straighter. Oh hey, my aloe plant! That gives me an idea! I'll just need a stalk of your aloe plant. I'll cut off the end, and now I'll carefully slice it in half lengthwise. Slow and steady. Don't want to accidentally cut myself. Okay, I've reached the end. I'll just take these two pieces apart. Okay, I need the knife again for the next step. I'm gonna make cuts all the way down the stalk. I want to be careful not to cut all the way through, though. Done! Now I've got my two pieces and they're ready to go. Okay, my two pieces of aloe are going to be my straightener. I'll just slowly slide them down to the ends of my hair. Wow, look at all that aloe gel! It's good for healing burns, too. Hair flip! Ow! I can't believe I banged my head! Okay, let's try this again. Hair flip! Now that it's dry, look at how straight it is! Take that, broken straightener! I didn't even need you! Me and the aloe did a great job together!
What better way to spend a summer day than by the pool? I almost forgot to put this on. Just a small dab. And I shine brighter than the sun. What girl doesn't love a little sparkle? Yay! I never go anywhere without this stuff. Ah, the sun feels great, doesn't it? Whoa, check out this beauty. Definitely worth interrupting my game. Excuse me? You're blocking the sun. Whoa, no wonder you stopped playing. Hello? Another pretty girl over here. Seriously? Am I invisible all of a sudden? Why won't anyone talk to me? Oh, I'll show you exactly what to do. First, you need some baby oil and some bronzer. Scrape the makeup onto a popsicle stick. Now drop it into the bottle of oil. See how it drips down into the bottle? Next, take some cosmetic glitter and pour it right on in there. Now that's the sparkle we want. Screw the cap back on nice and tight. Then it's time to shake things up. Isn't it absolutely gorgeous? Rub some of that on, and it'll be like moths to a flame. Ah! Thanks for sharing. We refilled your drink, Lily. Who's that? You're the most beautiful girl I've ever seen. Yup, this stuff works like a charm. As good as you do your makeup, touch-ups throughout the day are essential. This palette sure is bulky. Any room for my brushes in here? Can't forget my brush. And staying hydrated is a must. There we go. Any more room in there? Everything's just so tight. Is there a bigger bag I can use? I just want one more little thing. Hey, look at all those Q-tips. Lily, think I can snag one of those? Thanks. This is gonna be perfect. Why carry around a bottle of makeup when a Q-tip can carry it for you? Simply dip it into your concealer. And once you get a good amount, it's good to go. The baggie will keep the tip moist. Don't forget to seal it up tight. Now you're ready. This thing can fit just about anywhere, even this tiny pocket. I'm heading out. Bye, Betty. What's with the giant mess? Seriously? If anyone asks, I'm sunbathing by the pool all afternoon. What? Here you go. Thanks, Betty, but I never burn. I'm staying in the air conditioning, thank you very much. It's like 1,000,000 degrees out there, but the pool felt great. My face itches. Whoa! Since when did I get freckles? It's really no big deal. Don't worry, girl, I got you. Some people happen to like freckles. You can even get them on purpose. They look pretty real, right? Now I'm sun-kissed too. How do I look? Those look just like mine. You always make me feel better. It's summertime, which means armpit hair's gotta go. I'm gonna pee my pants. Yeah! Watch where you're going. Betty, where's your eyebrow? I accidentally shaved it off? It was a total accident, okay? Just put the razor down, Betty. Please? Stop! What? Can't you see this hideousness? Let me think for a second. This spoon has the perfect curve. I can totally shape an eyebrow. I'm just following the line, see? Then I just have to fill it all in. This is totally working. You'd never even know it was gone. Take a look for yourself. Let me see. You just may be a makeup genius, Lily. Man, that was a close one. How do you spell Renaissance again? Okay, now focus. My hand's getting tired. What's my name again? Come on! Huh? What? This is torture. Just gonna rest for 1 second. Who turned the lights on? Wait, is that daylight? Yep, I totally fell asleep. Who's that witch in my reflection? I can't go to class like this. All-nighters are the worst. What's that glorious smell? There's something in here I need now. Yes! Hey, that's not for you. Did you stay up all night again? The price of getting an A. I'll just make my own. A fresh jar of honey? Maybe all hope isn't lost after all. First, you need to mix the ingredients in a bowl. Just take a tablespoon of grounds and a little dollop of honey. Let the honey drip off the spoon and onto the coffee grinds. Then add just a splash of water. The contents should meld together. Take a cotton pad and cut it in half. Now carefully place them into the bowl. They should soak it all right up. Then put those suckers right over those bags. The caffeine is a miracle for puffy eyes. And now we wait. Being beautiful is so much work. And I was like, Lily? Let me call you back. Lily! You fell asleep at the counter again! What? Your eyes! Whatever you did worked like a charm. Yes! coffee's the best thing ever! Wow!
No dirt gets past me. It's like the cleaning's never done. How did that get there? This is simply unacceptable. Your days under here are numbered. This is one meaty piece of gum. And sticky, too. I wonder whose this is. Kevin has blonde in his hair? I don't know. What about her? Nah, her hair's too dark. That wouldn't make any sense. What about that girl? This could definitely be a match. Let me get a closer look here. I think we have a match, people! Now what do I do with this thing? I'm gonna need a little help. Aw, man. See this ball of Play-Doh? Kinda looks like gum, right? Put a little glue on it. And stick a little magnet to it. I made a bunch! Ha! That ought to teach her a lesson. I don't want to miss this! Ugh. Today is rough. Ew! Is that chewed up pieces of gum? Who would do such a thing? It's Play-Doh! It's Gabby! Ahem. Oh, hey! What's going on here? Do you know anything about this? Giving you a taste of your own medicine. Or rather, gum. Is that mine? Whoops. Sorry about that. Truce? Okay. All is forgiven. Let's start by sharing the goods. I said share! Looks like I have a front row seat! Isn't Kevin the dreamiest guy ever? Okay, now's my moment. Hey there, Kevin. What you reading? Kevin? Oh, wait for me! That book's pretty good, huh? I would know. Book twinsies! Yeah. Just gonna move over here. Does he hate me? Hope my hair still looks okay. Maybe we just need more in common. Time for a little makeover action. See this marker? Use its ink to color the hair mask. Then mix it around really well. Then it's ready! You can do it with multiple colors. With gloves, apply it to a section of hair. Then wrap it in foil. Do it with as much hair as you'd like. And now we wait. Ready for the big reveal? So cool! No salon required. It's fabulous! Yep. Hey, you colored your hair! I guess we have more in common than I thought.